Okay, insert the USB and select Document Manager. Okay, then read design from your disk. See, we have the design. Choose the design, then select design in memory. The first one, Jinlong 1, .001. Then return. Choose that one, then return. And now knitting. Reset first. Start the machine. First reset. Now reset is finished. Okay. Young initial position. First check this one. We are now using the left young feeder. 1, 3, and 5. You see, 1, 3, and 5. Okay. Then start needle to check the start needle. Density. Then which density setting. Speed. Knitting speed. Roller. Okay, no lock. Start the machine.那这个煤气地板这个还打好多回上呢。
是啊，就可以了吧？那你要把这个一片摘下来？
不用。
我连右边的沙子都，还有个沙子都没穿。
不用了。
啊，只打好。
Now is no locking.
还要把这地方沙子停放点，这个地方要调。
Young pack position we have to adjust. After knitting some waste yarn, we can knitting the Jinlong 1 that fabric.
还要做吗？
那你要停止，也不是这个旁定停止的也要。
等它那个结束之后按一下。
然后 after finish the waste yarn, press locking. Now we are knitting the fabric, knitting our design. Okay, that's it.